Welcome dear students to the next video. In this video of mineral and energy resources, we are going to discuss and learn about map skills. Okay, that is question number 26 of a paper where we have a map of 5 marks. So we'll be doing the map skills here. Fine. So this chapter is very important when we deal with maps. And we will be dealing in this chapter with various topics. The various topics that we are going to discuss here are iron ore mines, mica mines, coal mines, oil fields, thermal power plants and nuclear power plants. But in this video, we will be completing iron ore mines, mica mines, coal mines and oil fields. Okay. The next one we will be completing thermal and nuclear. So let's move towards the first one, that is the iron ore mines. That is the iron ore mines. Now when we talk about iron ore mines, we can say that India is quite rich in iron ore deposits. Okay, so according to the latest estimates, it is estimated that its reserves are over nearly 13,000 million tons. Okay, and is found in various states or areas that are mentioned here to you. Fine. So let's start with a map skill of iron ore belts here. When we talk about iron ore belts, so majorly we will not be asked about the belts here, but we will be asked about the iron ore mines. We will be asked about the iron ore mines, but not the belts. Okay, majorly it is, and this is only meant for the purpose of identification. Okay, it generally comes for the purpose of identification. Fine. So the majorly the areas, the names that come are Mayurbhanj, Durg, Beladila, Bellary and Kudremukh. Fine. There are 5 majorly known areas that are found in our map skills. So which are those? Mayurbhanj, Durg, Beladila, Bellary and Kudremukh. Okay. And it's very easy to remember because Durg and Beladila both are in Chhattisgarh. Okay, whereas Bellary and Kudremukh both are in Karnataka. It's easy to remember, and Mayurbhanj is in Orissa. Fine. So let's move towards it. When we talk about Durg, okay, when we talk about Durg, or when we talk about Durg we'll start with. So when we talk about Durg, what is that? It is, Durg is in the center of Chhattisgarh, you can say. You have Chhattisgarh here. Okay, so it is in the center of Chhattisgarh, Durg. Fine, here in the center of Chhattisgarh, and that is Chandrapur, Durg, Bastar, Chandrapur belt we talk about. So it is it comes in exam as Durg, and it is in Chhattisgarh. So you have the Durg, Bastar, Chandrapur belt in Chhattisgarh. Okay, so Chhattisgarh you can find here. Here it is Chhattisgarh. Fine. So I hope you are clear with Durg. Okay, then we talk about Mayurbhanj. So if you talk about Mayurbhanj is exactly in Orissa. Okay, it's in Orissa. You can say in the north of Orissa. Okay, it is in the north of Orissa. Okay, and Mayurbhanj. Fine, just to the east corner, eastmost side or northeast you can say. Mayurbhanj is in the northeast of Orissa. Fine. It's in the northeast of Orissa. Fine. Durg we have done. It is in the Chhattisgarh district, Chhattisgarh state. Fine. Then we have Beladila. Again, Beladila is in the south of Chhattisgarh. Fine. This Beladila is in the Chhattisgarh. That is in the south of Chhattisgarh here. Fine. These two we have done. Beladila, Mayurbhanj, Durg. Okay, then comes to Bellary. Bellary and Kudremukh both are in the Karnataka. Okay, both are in Karnataka. So when you talk about Bellary, Bellary is at the border of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, you can say. Is right at the border of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Okay, you can see here. And it is in the north of Kudremukh. Fine, it is in the north of Kudremukh. You can see Kudremukh is below. Okay, that is border of Kerala and Karnataka mines. Okay, it is in the border of Kerala and Karnataka. You can see Kudremukh here. Fine. Whereas Bellary is in the, you can say center east. Okay, you can say it is in the center east border of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, north of Kudremukh. So we can say that both of these are in Karnataka, whereas Durg Bastar and Beradila are in Chhattisgarh and Mayurbhanj is in Orissa. I hope you're clear with the iron mines here. Fine. Now let's start with the other one. That is mica mines. Fine. Talk about mica mines and talk about mica. So it's very easy to remember. You have major in the same states. You have majority of them. Fine. So starting with Rajasthan, we'll start with. So in Rajasthan, you have two areas here. One is Ajmer and the other one is Byawar. Ajmer and Byawar. Okay. So when you talk about Ajmer and Byawar, it will be marked in the center Rajasthan first of all. Okay, it is marked in center Rajasthan. Byawar is a bit south to Ajmer. Okay, and Ajmer will be the north of Byawar in Rajasthan, majorly found in the north, in the center of Rajasthan. Okay, so marking with Byawar and Ajmer, both of them lie in Rajasthan. Okay, then moving to Nellore. Nellore is in the center, or you can say east. Just you can say Andhra Pradesh or near to the Bay of Bengal. It is in Andhra Pradesh, east of Andhra Pradesh, and just near to the Bay of Bengal. Nellore is in Andhra Pradesh. That is in the east part of Andhra Pradesh, center east you can say, and just near to the Bay of Bengal. Fine. Then we have Gaya. Okay, Gaya is south of Bihar. You can see here. Gaya is in the south of Bihar, whereas Hazirabad is in Jharkhand. It's the top, that is north of Jharkhand. You can mark both of them near near the border. Bihar and Jharkhand border you can say, just next to both of it. Gaya is in the south of Bihar, whereas Hazirabad is in Jharkhand, that is north of Jharkhand. That is border, near to the border of both of it. Okay. So majorly mica mines that are asked in the exam for identification are Ajmer, Byawar, Nellore, Gaya and Hazirabad. Fine. I hope you are clear with this. Okay, moving ahead now. Let's move. Let me wrap it, otherwise it will be confusion for you for the later part. So just give me 2 minutes. Let me clear it all so you will be comfortable with it. Okay. If you want to mark it, it will be helpful for you. Fine. Iron belts you have done. Then you have done the mica mines. Then coming to the coal mines. There are many names you need to remember. Okay. Many names that you need to remember for the exam here. So when we talk about it, coal mines. Coal mines, you have Raniganj, Jharia, Bokaro, Talcher, Khorba, Singrauli, Singrani, Neyveli, sorry. Okay, so you can see that many of the resources that you find are in Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand area. Okay, in the Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand, Orissa, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand area. So starting with Raniganj, you can find Raniganj. You can find it in West Bengal. Okay, Raniganj is found in West Bengal. That is, you can say west center of West Bengal. That is Rani. You can have three. You can say 3 stars together. You can see here. See, you have 3 all together here. So the 3 that we have together here are Bokaro. Okay, it is in Jharkhand. Okay, again Jharia is in Jharkhand. Fine. And then we have Raniganj, that is in West Bengal. 3 all together you can say. All 3 stars are shining together here. Fine. So remember, Raniganj is in West Bengal, Jharia and Bokaro are in Jharkhand, very close to each other. Fine. So a bit of slight identification, if you are marked here and there, it's okay. But then to try to be in a particular region. Fine. Okay. So West Bengal, Jharkhand, we have 2 places here, that is Jharia and Bokaro, and West Bengal you have Raniganj. Okay. So mark them accordingly here. Fine. Then we have moving towards Talcher. Talcher is in Orissa. Talcher is in Orissa here. Then we have Khorba. Khorba is in Chhattisgarh. It is in Chhattisgarh. You can see here Khorba. Then Singrauli. This is Singrauli and Singrani. Singrauli and Singrani both are like twins' names you can remember. Fine. Both are in the corner as well. See, both are here in the corner. So corner, Singrani is in the corner of Telangana. Okay. Whereas you can say Singrauli is in the cornermost of east corner of Madhya Pradesh. Fine. Singrauli is in Madhya Pradesh and Singrani is in the east of Telangana. Then we have Talcher. It is in Orissa. Already discussed before. So Talcher here. Okay. Then you have Korba again in Chhattisgarh. Korba is again in Chhattisgarh here. You can see. Fine. In the north of Chhattisgarh. Fine. Then you have Neyveli in Tamil Nadu. Neyveli in Tamil Nadu. Neyveli is again in the you can say east of. It is in the east of Tamil Nadu, which is very close to the Bay of Bengal. Fine. So Neyveli will be in Tamil Nadu in the very east, centre-east you can say. Fine. Whereas close to the Bay of Bengal. So I hope you're clear with this as well. Moving to the next one, that is the oil mines. Fine. It's very simple to remember these oil mines. Okay. Now you have three major areas that are basically for the oil fields. One is Assam, the other is Maharashtra, and third is Gujarat. Okay, and all of them are very closely connected and close to each other. We talk of Assam, you have Digboi and Nahar Katia. Both are in the you can say eastmost areas of Assam. Okay, Digboi is in the cornermost area, that is most eastern area, and just close to it is Nahar Katia, that is to the. Then we have Ankleshwar and Kalol both in Gujarat. Ankleshwar and Kalol both in Gujarat. Ankleshwar is in the southernmost, okay, near to the Mumbai border, whereas Kalol is a bit northern to the Ankleshwar. Fine. The other one we have here areas that are found in Maharashtra. It is very close, that is in the Arabian Sea you can see. Okay, it is located in the Arabian Sea. Fine. The one is Mumbai High, and just below Mumbai High you have the basin. Okay, so you have two majorly found areas, three majorly found oil fields: Assam, Maharashtra and Gujarat. In Assam you have Digboi, Nahar Katia. In Maharashtra you have Mumbai High and Basin, and in Gujarat you have Kalol and Ankleshwar. Okay, this all we have done for the map skill in mineral energy resources. Next we will be covering the other thermal power plants and the nuclear power plant in the next video. Hope you have understood. Please start marking them on your on the maps and file them up before your for your markings. Okay, thank you. Stay home, stay blessed. God bless you all.